When you're making a poster with PowerPoint, set up the slide before you start. Don't assume you can just make a slide and then get it printed bigger. Start a new blank presentation and change the layout to a blank slide. I won't be using any of the slide placeholders. I could also hide the thumbnails as there will only be one page. Now define the paper size for the poster. I'm going to make it A1 landscape, so I open the slide size dialog, choose landscape and enter the A1 dimensions. That's 84.1 centimeters wide and 59.4 centimeters high. When I OK this, PowerPoint wants to know what to do with existing content. There isn't any, so it doesn't matter which I choose. It doesn't look that different, but in a moment you'll see how big it is. To help with layout, I'll make sure the ruler is visible, and you can now see the page is indeed over 80 centimeters wide, with 0 in the middle. PowerPoint has two other features to help with layout. You can turn gridlines on, though personally I don't find them that useful. You can change their spacing from the dialog launcher if that helps. More usefully, you can make some guides visible. To start with, there are only two draggable guides, but if you hold down Control on a PC, that's Command on the Mac, and drag, you create more guides. You can position these guides to lay out columns ready for positioning the content. Here's one I made earlier with 4 equal columns and some horizontal guides to help align text boxes. Notice how there are reasonable margins so the content won't be placed too near the edge. Next step is to plan the layout, choose a colour scheme and then start adding my content.